Hey guys, back with another video. Yeah, well, I'm back with a video. I'm gonna do like this one. Just fly back out for What? What?
Fun, exciting, that's for sure. I mean, this thing is so big.
You got jump.
It hit me like a ton of bricks. I love peanut butter.
Just enough shots of like jelly in there, you know, give it a
It's
little
a cute show.
brand of pillow pastry. I really like it. It's little crunchy bits.
Can you see who the doggy too? Huh? Can I see who the doggy too?
For what?
You need to go there.
You don't need to be trained because y'all got a friend dog to train, though. Train
He be
yourself.
my friend.
I hate
He's a
feeling
bad dog.
behind. We were the first to finish the first round, and we're the last ones cooking right now.
Bev. Well,
He's still a baby puppy, you know. He's still a baby
this how
puppy.
you can do it. Goodbye. Goodbye. Lacysquad.
Definitely more complicated.
Lacysquad, I get it. You should be your address. I send it to you. I give it to you. And boom, you got it. Bye.
Welcome, man.